Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage juice for weight loss. This simple, natural drink is a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. Cabbage juice is incredibly low in calories and packed with essential nutrients, helping to cleanse your body and support healthy digestion. It can boost your metabolism, making it a great ally in your journey towards a healthier weight. Let's get started on preparing this beneficial beverage. To begin, you will need one medium-sized, fresh green cabbage. Look for firm, vibrant leaves. You'll also need about 1 cup of filtered water to help with blending. For an extra touch of flavor and added nutrients, consider including a small apple or a piece of fresh ginger. Remember to thoroughly wash all your produce under cool, running water before moving to the next step. Now let's prepare the cabbage. First, chop your clean cabbage into smaller, manageable pieces, roughly 1 to 2 inches in size. This makes blending much easier. Place these chopped pieces into your blender along with the 1 cup of filtered water. Blend the mixture on high speed until it becomes smooth and consistent, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, strain the blended liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the pulp. Your fresh cabbage juice is now ready to enjoy. For optimal results, drink 1 glass, approximately 8 ounces of this juice daily, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember, cabbage juice works best as part of a balanced diet and an active lifestyle, supporting your overall weight management goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.